Thank you for choosing Smile Mile Painting. How can I help you? Hi, my name is Sandra here with Smile Mile Painting, and when you call for a free estimate, I'm the one who answers the phone. When we're discussing your new project, I'll be asking questions to make sure that all your needs are met. This can be anything from what you need painted, any colors you might have in mind, and a time that works best for you.
Hi, my name is Angelica, and I'm also part of the front desk staff. The reason we ask so many questions is so we can give you the best product, the best process, and the best price. I also send out newsletters to keep our customers up to date on any deals and events we may have. So if you contact us online, I'll be the one there to help you.